Hi students, yes, I sent PDF file regarding the first lesson, question answer as well as grammar also I sent you. In this class I am going to discuss on grammar activities. What are the grammar activities are given in the first lesson? Directly we sent the PDF file without discussion. In this class, so just grammar topics are there. That thing I am going to discuss in this class. Keeping fit, first lesson. Keeping fit. So, first thing is there, that is word power. The grammar activities, first one is what? Word power. Word power means word strength. Power. Power means strength. Word strength. What is the word strength? What is the word power? So here, first one is that. What is that? Tick or one out in each also insert. Also give your reason. So total in one set 4 words are there. One is odd. One is odd. So you have to make the right mark which is odd one out and give the reason also. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ನೊಳಗೆ 4 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ, ಒಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಹೌ ಈಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಟಿಕ್ right mark. Okay, tick right mark the odd one out and give the reason. This is first main word power. Okay, see here, first set. Look at the first set. In the first set, what are the words are there? Lungs. Okay, then eyes, ears and heart. So in the first set, which is odd? Is it right? Odd is there, even that has a reason is also there. Why? Lungs, eyes, ears, heart, which is odd. The first set, which is odd. Any guess? Okay, I am telling you. So here, lungs, eyes, ears and heart. So I am going to write the take mark, heart. Any guess? We have only one heart. We don't have any 2 hearts. Have 2 hearts? Only one heart we have in your body. Is it right? But when you observe other parts of body, it means lungs, eyes, ears, these are paired. 2. These are paired. That is a single. Lungs, 2 lungs you have. Eyes also you have 2 eyes. Even ears also eyes. So all these are 2. All these are 2. That is only one heart. That is only one. That is heart. Is it understand? These are 2. That is 1. Yes, lungs, 2 lungs. Eyes, 2 eyes. Ears, 2 ears. But heart is 1. Is it understand? Okay. Look at the next example. More, less, much, better. See here, in the second set, which is odd. More, less, much, better. So which is odd in the second set? So I am going to underline much. Any guess? Yes. Why? Why? Why I selected much one out, odd one out? So reason is there. So much, more, most. When you learned degrees, I hope you understood degrees. Who learned the degrees perfectly, they can follow it. Okay, here more, much, more, most. Here least, less, least. Much is a positive degree, positive adjective it is. Positive adjective. Then all other comparative. More is comparative. Okay. More is comparative adjective word. Less is a comparative adjective, comparative degree. And also better is a comparative degree. This is only positive adjective. Positive degree. Is it understand? This reason much is a odd one out. Let us see. Third set. Strong, strong, tough, tough, stamina, and stamina, after that healthy. Four words are there. In the third set, four words are there. Strong, tough, stamina, and healthy. Which is odd one out? See here, stamina. I am going to underline stamina. Why? The reason is there. Okay, why? Stamina is a noun. Stamina is what type of noun? That is an abstract noun. Okay, that is what type of noun? Abstract noun. So, what are those? Those words what? Okay, those words are, all these are adjective. Strong, tough, plus healthy. These are adjective words. This is only noun, especially abstract noun. So, stamina is a odd or not. Okay. Let's see next. Next set is there. Easily, easily, lovely, okay, regularly, regularly, and actually. Actually. So, which is odd one out in this set of four? See here, lovely. Lovely, it is what? Lovely, it is a one kind of adjective word. Okay? Okay, it is what? Adjective. All these are what? Easily, regularly, actually, these are adverbs. Those are adverbs. This is a adjective word. That's reason lovely I am going to underline. Okay. Let's see fifth one. Skying. Skying. Jogging. Skying. Jogging. Then swimming. Swimming, evening. This is skying, jogging, swimming, evening. Which is odd one out? Yes, here, evening. So, these are exercises. Skying, jogging, evening, swimming, these are exercises. That is what? That is what? So, that is a word. Okay, that is a word, not a suffix. Just one point we have to see, ing. Ing is what? Suffix. Okay, this gives another meaning word. Swimming, skying, jogging, these exercises, that is a different thing. adverb, that is called a adverb, time of adverb, that is called time of adverb. Okay, here swimming is evening is what? Order words. Here lovely, here stamina, then much is a positive adjective, and hard is a only one is there. Is it understand? Okay. Look at next. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the box. Yes, one box is there. In that box, so many words are there. So, you have to fill in the blank correctly. See. So, which are the words in the blank? Stay, person, balance, ourselves, much, enough, exercise, especially, plenty, lavatory, brushed, successfully. Successful. These words you have to fill. Totally 5 sentences are there. In this sentence, blocks are there. Fill in the blank. Empty place is there. In that place, you have to fill the correct word, correct suitable word. You have to fill. First, look at the first word, first sentence. Good health is a priceless treasure. It is something that allows a person to lead a happy, useful and dash life. Yes, you know that. Good health is a precious treasure. It means we don't fix the value. We don't fix the value. Good health is a priceless treasure. It means wealth. It is something that allows a person to lead a happy life. Yes, which person has a good health, automatically he leading the happy life. And also, what type of life he can lead? Successful. First word is there, that is a successful. Successful life. Which person has a good health, that person lead happy and successful life. Let us see second example. There are certain rules which can help us to dash healthy. We should eat dash, dash diet and drink, dash of water. All foods are bettering if we eat 2 dash of them. See here. What are the words you want to fill in the second sentence? There are certain rules. There's so many rules and regulations which can help us to stay healthy. First word is what? Stay healthy. If you want to stay healthy, some rules we have to follow. We have to follow some rules if you want to stay healthy. So there are certain rules which can help us to stay healthy. We should eat balanced. Second word is what? Balanced. Balanced diet. It means, so which is necessity? Which are the food required? That food we have to eat. Balancing food. That is a balancing food manner. We should eat a balanced diet and drink plenty. Yes, more and more water you have to drink. Okay, that is a plenty. At least 5 to 6 liters every day you have to drink the water. Plenty of water. All foods are flattering if you eat 2 dash of them. Too much. Too much of them. Okay. Did you understand? First one stay. Second one balanced. Plenty. Much. Okay. Let us see third. We should take regular dash in the open air and get a dash sleep. Yes, we should take a regular exercise. First one is what? Exercise. In the open air, get enough sleep. Enough. You are right? Enough. Enough sleep. Let's see next. Regular washing is important dash, especially the hands after we have to be the dash lavatory, teeth of course should be dash every night and morning. So regular washing is important, especially hands. So when you going outside, when you come back to the home, you should wash your hands especially, because so many small germs on your hand. Without wash your hand, if you take any food will be poisoned. Is it right? So something is happened. So when you return to home after playing or wherever you went, okay, so you should wash your hands. Okay, especially the hands after we have to be lavatory. What is a lavatory? Okay, shauchalaya. Okay, so teeth of course could be brushed every night and morning. Yes, of course we should brush our teeth. Okay, night and morning. Yes, usually we are getting the morning brush, but not a night. Even before going to bed, you have to get a teeth brush. Okay, brush your teeth. Fifth one, we should keep dash clean to stay healthy. We should keep dash clean to stay healthy. So our cells. Okay, look at the third exercise. Complete the sentence with a given expression. Running long distance races requires stamina. Yes, if you want to running long distance, you need water, stamina. Grammar in use. Look at the grammar in use. Okay, first one. What is that? Requires stamina. Okay. Second one. Regular exercise can give you dash what? Healthy mind and healthy body. Healthy mind and body. Yes, exercise. Next, we won the match and a great feeling of achievement. Yes, feeling of what? Feeling of achievement. Feeling of achievement. Let's see. Fourth one. Physical fitness can help you dash. Yes, what type of look? Positive look. Positive outlook on life. Okay. Let's see fifth one. Ever since I got car dash, I have become a rather overweight. Okay. Sixth one. He will live longer if you have dash eating habits. What are eating habits? Okay. Is it understand? So one more exercise is there. Look at what is that. Yes, are the following sentences right or wrong? Are the following sentences are right or wrong? Rewrite it correctly where necessary. One example is given. Yes, what is that? I must go now, I am getting late. Yes, I usually go to the work by car. Yes, second sentence is right. First sentence is given. Second sentence is right. Look at the third sentence. Let's go out. It is raining now. Let's go out. It is not raining now. Raining now. Fourth one is right. Fifth one also right. Sixth one. Sixth one, what happened? The water is boiling. What you have written? The water is boiling. Boiling. Okay. Next, seventh one is right. Eighth one. Look. Look. That man is trying. That man is trying. Okay. So, total grammar activities finished. In the next class, I will start another new chapter. Okay. Until take care.